1.
Hey everyone, welcome to day 7 of the 12 Days of Fitmas. Today we return to upper body exercises again. So today we have a mix of some old stuff that we did on day 1 along with some new exercises. So our first one is just going to be push-ups like we've done before because it's a good complex exercise that works a lot of upper body muscles. So again, for that one we're going to have our hands shoulder width apart, nice straight back, going down to 90 degrees and back up. And like I mentioned before, we can also do that from the modified position from our knees to decrease that body weight. Our next exercise is going to be front raises. So these are similar to the lateral raises, except we're moving our arms straight out in front of us rather than out to the side. So we're going to have our feet shoulder width apart and have our arms straight out in front of us. And we'll take our arms up to horizontal and then back down. For our next exercise, we're going to do a bent over tricep extension. So this is another new one that we've done before. So for this one, I'd recommend using a table or any object that you can support yourself from one arm on. We're just going to have our feet in a little staggered stance. We're going to bring our arm bent up to here, and then we're just going to straighten out that arm behind us, and then return it to here, and just repeat those. For our next one, we can kind of stay in this bent over position because we're going to do bent over rows again. So for this one, we're going to support ourselves here, and we're going to take our hand. We can just do body weight, or if you have any canned goods or any other objects that you'd like to add weight or resistance, you're going to take it here. We're just going to bring our arm back and curl our arm, bringing it up to our chest, and then back down. For our next exercise, we're going to do shrugs. So for this one, we're just going to keep our arms down to our side, and we're just going to focus on raising these shoulders up and then back down. And then for our final one, this is another repeat from day 1. This is bicep curls. So just having our arms straight down to our sides, bending them up and back down.